So if you're running into the Shopee F00 error, here's a simple way to fix it. This error usually happens when there's a problem with the app's connection to your account session. So the first thing to try is logging out and logging back in. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache in your phone settings, assuming you're on Android, or update Shopee to the latest version because outdated apps often trigger errors. If you're on iPhone, by the way, there's no clearing cache, but you can just reinstall the app. Another fix is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still stuck, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh everything completely. And finally, if none of these steps works, contact Shopee support with a screenshot of the F00 error. They can usually reset your account session or give you a specific solution. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.